Nang minsan ngang dumayo ang kababayan nating Pinoy sa bansa ng Australia taong 2015, ay dalawang sunod na impresibong brutal knockout wins agad ang naipanalo nito sa bansang Australia matapos nga nitong talunin at wasakin ang dalawang kilalang Australian boxer na si Matthew Powley at T.Y. Allen sa mismong hometown ng mga ito. Ang Pinoy pong ito ay walang iba kundi si Rani Ganoy na binansagan nga pong knockout kid na tubong taga Cotabato del Sur sa Mindanao mga idol. Dahil nga po sa magandang pinakita ng Pinoy sa huling laban nito, isang buwan lamang po ang nakalipas ay muli na naman po itong umakyat sa ibabaw ng lona upang harapin naman ang kilabot at tinaguriang The Beast Kid Dynamite at bato-batong Nigerian-Australian boxer na si Paytay Onikeke. Sa mga di po nakakaalam, sa kasagsagan nga po ng karera ni Onikeke sa pro boxing ay 8 title belt na po ang napasakamay po nito mga idol. Bagamat wala pa itong world title na nakukuha ay maganda po ang nakikitang future ng mga boxing analyst kay Onikeke. Nakikita nila itong magiging isang ganap na world champion sa mga susunod pa na taon. Nakilala nga po si Onikeke na Kid Dynamite dahil nga po sa lakas at tindi ng kamao nito na may tumataginting na 85% knockout ratio percentage mga idol, na kapag tinamaan ka nga po ng solido ay talagang kayang pasabugin ang pagmumukha mo. Kalaunan mga idol ay tinawag na rin po itong The Beast. Bukod po kasi sa malalakas na mga kamao nito, mayroon din po itong bato-batong pangangatawan at pagmumukha. Kaya naman tila ba nakatank build po ito sa sobrang kunat nga po nito mga idol. Kaya naman dahil nga po dito ay talaga naman pong masusubok ang tibay at lakas ng ating kababayan na si Rani Ganoy kontra nga po kay Onikeke. Bago ang laban, mayroong kartada ang kababayan natin na 19 wins, 10 losses at 17 knockouts. Samantala si Onikeke ay may impresibong record na 18 wins, 1 talo lamang at 15 knockouts. Sa kartada pa lamang mga idol ay masasabi mo talagang dihado dito ang kababayan nating Pinoy. At eto na nga po mga idol, sa mismong laban po ay talaga naman pong ginulat ng Pinoy ang mga audience matapos nga nitong ipakita ang totoong definasyon ng isang pagiging tunay na halimaw sa ibabaw ng lona.
He was embarrassed in that first round. Just embarrassed a
I
little
think he
bit.
was too. But look, good punching. Oh, right hand from Ganoy. Now we're starting to warm up, Gus.
Yeah,
Hey?
absolutely. He's saying he's not hurt. It's amazing how many times a fighter will say, I'm not hurt when they are hurt.
For sure.
Because I tell you what, he was hurt, Barry.
He was hurt at the end of the first, and I'll tell you, he put a lot of shots there. He was hurt by that.
Yes, he
It was a
was.
clean knockdown. It was a lovely left hook to the chin.
Yeah. He was hurt.
You've got to say Ganoy's going to put him away, Gus.
Well, if Oniki wants to stay here and live the good life, I don't think he's going to do. I don't think he's going to do it.
Tell you what, and I don't think Onikeke.
Sa second round nga po mga idol ay nakatikim na nga ng 2 knockdown si Onikeke. Ngunit talaga naman pong masasabi mong literal na The Beast at makunat itong Nigerian, Australian boxer na ito mga idol. Dahil matapos nga ang knockdown na natikman nito sa Pinoy, tila ba lalo itong nabuhayan ng dugo at nakipagsabayan pa at nagpakita pa ng isang napakagandang palitan ng suntok sa Pinoy. Ngunit bibilib ka rin naman talaga sa tibay at lakas ng Pinoy dahil nagagawa po nitong makipagsabayan sa tinaguriang The Beast Dynamite at tank build na si Onikeke. Naging sobrang ganda po ng laban na ito mga idol.
Uh-oh. Rene Ganoy is going to come up with a big win, I think.
Yes, he is for sure. Oh, Gus, did we speak too soon? That was a good, vicious shot. Oh, man, are they bashing each other? Oh, Onikeke hurt again, but he hurt Ganoy. Onikeke wild with the left hand. No, he's gone. Oh, he's gone, mate. He can stop it now. Chris Anderson should stop it, Gus. Oh, mate, I'd stop it. If I was the referee, I would have stopped it.
And Maury's very concerned. He might stop it.
Be a miracle.
If Ganoy punches himself out, the thing that... Look at the power. Look at the power down.
I can't believe it. Oh, he's got Ganoy. He's got Ganoy. I can't believe it, Gus. This is amazing. Oh, this is amazing.
This is going to go down as one of the most exciting rounds we've seen.
Oh, no. This is... Oh, look at
taking chips off each other.
Mate, this is better than any brawl I've ever seen in my life. They're just
Power.
Onakeki got himself back together. Ganoy's, oh, look at this. Onakeki talking to himself. Courage. Pushing himself.
Very good.
Ganoy exhausted.
I think he punched himself out.
I think Ganoy's nearly gone, mate. He's nearly gone. I cannot believe it.
That's the power they
Ganoy's
express.
just about ready to give it all go down, mate.
Nang dumating nga po ang round 4 hanggang round 6 mga idol, ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang maaksyon na salpukan ng dalawang fighter. At talaga naman pong sobrang bigat ng mga suntok ang pinapakawalan ng dalawa. Sa sobrang ganda nga po ng laban, tila ba nalimutan ng referee ang trabaho nito at sarap na sarap po ito sa panonood sa laban ng dalawa.
He's going to win it now, mate. I just never would have thought it possible, but... Oh, he nearly put Onakeki down. Oh, Ganoy taking big punches, both taking bomb. What a fight, Gus.
This is
What a
amazing.
brawl.
This is amazing. Both.
Oh, my God.
They're both.
Oh,
Back and
look.
forth.
Onakeki, look at him. He's wobbling all over the shot. This is unbelievable. Oh, he's gone. It looked like he was gone.
Aniki is
Onakeki's gone. Onakeki's gone this time.
Ganoy is
mate,
cut.
I haven't seen anything like this for a long, long time, Gus.
If Aniki goes down, I think that's the end of it. I think perhaps what's going to happen is going to hurt him.
He
Years of
can't
age.
even stand up. He's
20
wobbling all over the shots.
23 years of age. He shouldn't take this kind of punishment.
Oh, look, mate, this fight.
Both of them, perhaps.
Onakeki's gone again. He's gone.
The referee has a responsibility here, a very definite responsibility.
Seen anything like it. Oh, they don't know what defence is, either of them, especially Onakeki. How long to go before the round's out? Onakeki's fitter. The fitness is going.
Yes. Cliff Anderson just had a good look at Ganoy because he's taken some punishment there. But if he had a good look at Ganoy, he should have had a good look at Montiki before because he was.
punishment on
I think Kaniki coming back.
Ganoy is exhausted. He's just about gone.
Aniki went away, punched a couple of shots, stepped back and had a look at him and see where he was. He's picking his shots better right now.
He is.
At eto na nga po, sa round 7 mga idol, bumaksak na naman si Onakeki sa Pinoy. Halos magsigawan ng mga audience sa tindi ng bakbakan. At ito na rin ang naging huling rounds para kay Onakeki. Tila bang sinasabing matigas pa sa troso ay pinalambot ng malamasong mga kamao ng Pinoy Pride. Cotabato.
I can believe it. Onakeki just shaking his head. Got to be fight of the year, Gus.
Oh, yeah. No doubt about it.
Look, Onakeki's hitting him with the forearm.
Yeah, they're not going to go down.
Oh, he's going down.
That could be it.
Look. He's gone
I
now.
think he let him go.
Couple of clean shots. Look, he can't even walk properly,
I think
Gus.
the doctor's going to take out a card.
Oh, stop it now. Stop it now. Chris, it's got to be stopped, Gus. Someone's going to get
That's
serious.
it.
Stop it. Jesus Christ. Too much, mate.
Yeah.
Nanalo nga po ang Pinoy dito sa pamamagitan ng isang brutal knockout sa round 7. Sa sobrang ganda nga po na naging laban at husay na pinakita ng Pinoy, tila ba nawala sa sarili ang referee dahil nga po sa pagkatulala nito sa laban. Buti na lamang po at itinigil ng ring official ang laban kung nagkataon kasi baka namatay pa sa kamao ng Pinoy si Onakeki. Anong masasabi mo sa laban at pinakita ng Pinoy dito mga idol? Marso ng ika-15, taong 2023, ito ang araw na kung saan dumayo ang kababayan natin na si Charlie Suarez sa bansang Australia upang labanan ng undefeated Australian boxer na si Paul Fleming na ng mga panahon na iyan ay may ring record na 28 wins, 18 knockouts at 0 losses. Hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman natin mga master na ang Australia ang may pinakatalamak na korupsyon pagdating sa boxing. Kaya naman, halos lahat ng boksingero na dumadayo sa bansa na ito ay napakaliit lamang po ng tsansa na manalo lalo pat aabot ng desisyon ang laban. Kaya naman, ang tanging paraan lamang upang manalo ka sa bansang ito ay dapat patulugin mo sa lona ang mga kalaban mo sa naturang bansa na ito. Kaya naman, para po sa kababayan natin na si Charlie Suarez, na isa rin pong undefeated boxer, ay napakalaking sugal po ang ginawa nitong pagdayo sa bansang Australia dahil maaari pong madumihan ang malinis na record nito sa isang madumi at pandarayang paghatol ng mga Australian judge. Pero nanindigan pa rin po ang ating kababayan at lakas loob na lumaban sa bansang ito dahil kumpiyansa po ang ating kababayan na si Charlie Suarez na pababaksakin niya po ang undefeated boxer na pambato ng mga taga-Australia. Kaya naman mga master, panoodin po natin ang highlights ng laban na ito na kung saan muntikang pang madaya at masilat ng referee ang matamis sa panalo ng Pinoy. Buti na lang.
And a hush comes over the crowd.
We're just waiting to see what's going to happen, Ben.
Sa mga naunang rounds po mga master ay nakuha po ng ating kababayan ng puntos. Nadodomina po nito ang kalabang Australiano.
And a hush comes over the crowd.
We're just waiting to see what's going to happen, Ben.
Makes the back Suarez, who likes to forward and throw his shots. Fleming, left hand body. Suarez reaches out himself. Long jab to the body, just the warning on the run as Fleming says goes forward and recommences. Fleming finds a left hand. Body and tried to finish top. It's a good shot again from Suarez, just gets one away. And a lead right hand, a good one from Suarez. He got through. Body shots as well from Charlie's. 1, 2 and 3 Suarez. Better stuff. Suarez body as well and chasing now. And Fleming hangs on. Says right hand from Suarez. Then Fleming goes 1 and 2. Counter shot Suarez.
Bagamat nakakalamang po sa mga unang rounds ang ating kababayan, sa pagsapit naman po ng middle rounds mga master, ay nakabawi naman ang Australiano sa ating kababayang Pinoy.
Body shot from Fleming. Touching. Just Fleming underneath and tries to finish. Shot Suarez. Body shots from Fleming and he finishes over the top. Good shot there from Paul Fleming.
Hit the shots.
Suarez, 1-2 of his own. But Fleming liked that little moment he had. Sees that one coming. A big shot from Suarez. Good body shot. Left hand Fleming. Incredibly fit is Charlie Suarez, who digs into the body and Fleming comes back.
Sa pagsapit po ng round 12 mga master, dito na nakatikim ng isang left straight punch ang Australiano sa Pinoy na dahilan upang bumaksak at tila ba parang nawalan na ito ng malay tao. Bagamat kitang-kita ang damage na nagawa ng Pinoy, matapos ang malakas na suntok na tinamasa ng Australiano, ay pinilit pa rin po na ituloy ito ng referee dahil 1 minuto na lamang ang natitira sa huling rounds at kapag nakasurvive po ito sa 12 rounds na bakbakan, ay madali na para sa mga ito ang baliktarin ng resulta at ipanalo ang kanilang kababayan.
Oh!
Ngunit alam po ng kababayan nating Pinoy ang sasapitin nito kapag nanatiling nakatayo ang kalabang Australiano hanggang 12 rounds. Kaya naman hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa ang kababayan natin at niratrat na po ang kalabang Australiano. At dito ay narealize po ng referee na buhay na ang kapalit kung hindi pa niya aawatin at ibibigay ang laban sa Pinoy. Kaya naman, tuluyan ng inawat ng referee ang laban para sa buhay ng kanyang kababayan.